The term blog is short for weblog, which refers to an online journal. People blog to share their personal opinions, ideas, and other writings on a variety of topics.
When you create a blog, you show what sets you apart from others in your field. If you share how to do things or give really great advice, then your readers will look to you as the expert.
Bloggers often write from a personal perspective that allows them to connect directly with readers. To further that connection, bloggers often allow commenting. When bloggers respond to comments and questions, it helps build trust with readers.
This can include anything from answering questions about you and your company to responding to feedback on your products or services. This is a great way to learn what your customers like and what they're looking for.
Blogs are a great way to improve SEO and drive traffic to your website. When ranking sites, one of the things Google looks for is fresh, relevant content.
Since a good blog is regularly updated with valuable content, it's more likely to rank high in search results, so it's easier to find online. If you're using your blog to send people to your website, your blog's high ranking can help you bring more visitors.
Without blogging, your website might get buried in the results, whereas running a blog makes you searchable and competitive.
So the main purpose of your blog is to connect you to the relevant audience. Another one is to boost your traffic and send quality leads to your website.
The more frequent and better your blog posts are, the higher your chances of your website being discovered and visited by your target audience, which means a blog is an effective lead generation tool.
Add a great call to action or a CTA, and it'll convert your website traffic into high-quality leads. But a blog also allows you to showcase your authority and build a brand.
To be successful as a blogger, there really is just one requirement: a passion for your topic. When you use your knowledge to create informative and engaging posts, it really builds trust with your audience.
Great blogging makes your business look more credible, which is especially important if your brand is still young and fairly unknown. It ensures presence and authority at the same time.